19 times 3. 57. Hey guys, it's a girl Skylar. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So this is my first morning in Pattaya. So I came here last night, so I'm just gonna be updating you like the kind of activities that I'm going to be doing. So the first activity today, we're going to be visiting Elephant Jungle Sanctuary, where you get to interact with the elephant like really close. So I'm going to be updating you each and every day like the type of activities that we'll be doing. So you just have to stay tuned. So I'm going to do my outfit check. You gotta tell me like which outfit at. I'm going to do my outfit check, so stay tuned. Apparently we actually had a boo at our villa, so we took a Grab to Elephant Jungle Sanctuary and it took us like around 30 minutes. We get our
I'll hold it for you.
So we booked a session for 10 a.m. So when you get there, we just waited for a few people, and when we're done, they gathered us around and offered us these bananas. So we're going to use these bananas and cucumber to feed these elephants, and they will actually tell you the do's and don'ts, like when you're around elephant, what you're supposed to do and what you're not. And the elephants that were so big, like I actually laid like Africa has the biggest elephant like in the whole world. Can you just imagine this height? I was so scared at first. But yeah, you get used to it. Hey guys, so now we're at the Elephant Jungle Sanctuary.
Don't be scared, just
Closer. Her.
Where was
Then yes. You wanna touch her?
Yeah. So this guy was actually asking me like, you wanna touch it? And I'm like, yes. The moment I'm trying to touch the elephant, the way I was so scared. But trust me, they are so harmless. They are so harmless.
Alright, don't stay away panicking. Do you need to go to the toilet? Shall we?
So about the food, there will be more of it. Like let's say maybe you finish like your first bucket, you can go for a few 2-3 times. And the experience was really pretty cool. I really enjoyed it. Despite the fact that I was scared, but it was really an enjoyable moment.
You want the one on it one?
Yeah. able to run away then.
Okay.
Yes. So when we went to fill this one, it was actually taking a bath. So there was a small well and it was taking a bath. So that's the one we're going to feed and I love it.
They eat a lot. Okay, one day elephant needed food is at 10% their body weight. That's mean each elephant that needed food is about 400 kilogram every day. Okay. Okay, it's a 20 hours they eating. Okay, it's a made for everyone. Okay, it's made for it's not banana, cucumber, beef pizza. You know that's it. Just a trigger. Just a trigger. Just to make you friend with that. Okay, elephant eats about any fruits. Everyone, any fruits we feed is 20%. Okay, 20% of fruits, 70% grass, and then 10% about vitamin. Or vitamin is want to help about elephant digestion. Okay, because elephant eat a lot. It's a big problem. It's about the digestion. Okay, that's why elephant eat a lot. They are big, right? And then another reason elephant have just one stomach. Elephant have just one stomach. It's a different kind of buffalo. They have a four. Elephant have just one. Man, there's no anymore. After that, it's about like 5 minutes, 5 or 10 minutes. It's more flat. Because after the water get out. Okay, but it's a dry. Yes. All right. Anybody want to try? Someone want to try?
So after our elephant session, we went to Terminal 21 and the mall is really great. I really loved like how they decorated the whole mall, like each and every floor. It's being labeled with the country. Let's say we have Japan, we have China, we have London, we have USA. Like the mall, they outdid themselves. And there are a lot of shops, there are food stores, there are street markets like for Thai vendors. And trust me, I really loved what I was seeing. So the ground floor is mainly for menswear. Like they had a lot of clothes, they have shoes, and there are also shops that were selling accessories. There were a lot of stuff. Like the mall is really big. So this floor is for Japan, as you can see, with the cherry blossom. And all these restaurants, they are Japanese restaurants. They'll be selling Japanese food, and it's really nice. Even the decoration, like you can just imagine you being in Japan. this is the ground floor for Thai street vendors. They'll be selling affordable clothes, and they were mainly selling a lot of stuff for Songkran since it's Songkran time. I almost forgot that I promised you an outfit check. So here is my full outfit check. This is what I was wearing. Anyways, welcome to Italy. So this floor was mainly for Italy, like the trains, like the malls there, and also the kind of restaurant that were there was mainly for Italy.